Hey guys, it's Jules from Life's Art, and today we're going to learn how to paint clouds using watercolor. Let's get started. Yay! Happy 2024.
Paint a line at the top of your page with a dark purple called indigo.
Please subscribe to my channel and like my posts.
Subscribe and like for art tips and tricks. Switch to dark blue and soften the edges. The sky's color goes from dark at the zenith to light at the horizon line. It's darkest at the top of the sky and lightest at the bottom. Now switch to light blue and move down the paper towards the horizon line. Use this light blue to fill in around the other cloud shapes. Now we're going to soften those edges with just water on our brush, no paint. Remove extra paint from your paper and wipe the excess paint on a paper towel. Continue softening the edges using water only, no paint. Now switch to peach to add some warm tones into the sky, reflecting off the Earth's surface. Create a shadow under the top layer of clouds using peach. Use more light blue for depth under that layer of clouds, and blend again with peach. Rinse all the paint off your brush, then use just water to soften the edges again. Remove paint from the paper with water on your brush and wiping it onto the paper towel. Add another warm layer of peach clouds, reflecting the sun. Add the lightest, palest blue at the horizon line, as that is where the sky is the lightest, and blend with a little bit more peach. As the water and paint dry, it will create some hard edges. So let's remove some more paint and hard edges one more time with just water on our brush, softening everything and blending it all together. Time for the mountains. We'll use lavender for the range that's furthest away from us. Atmospheric perspective is the things that are furthest away from us are the lightest, blurriest, and have the least amount of detail. So as the mountain ranges get closer to us, they will become darker and have more detail, and also become a little brighter.
that fun. Making clouds is fun. I did a great job. I'm sure you guys did a great job. And I can't wait to see it. Post your picture in the comments. That would be cool. Today I used this watercolor set by Artists Loft. You can find it almost anywhere. I think it's only $5.99. And I'm using this watercolor paper by Canson. It's 140 pound and it's size 9 by 12. This is around $10 for a 30 pack. And once again, thanks for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel and like it so that you can become a better artist and have a fun time doing it. Today's commercial break is brought to you by Daisy. Please subscribe to my channel and like my posts. Yay! Happy 2024!